Whether you are a brand new dog owner or have been caring for dogs for many years, understanding the essentials of grooming is a crucial part of providing your furry friend with a healthy and happy life. Grooming is often misunderstood as simply making your dog look pretty or neat, but it goes far beyond appearances. Grooming is a vital part of your dog's overall health, comfort, and well-being. Regular grooming not only keeps your dog clean, but also helps prevent common health problems and can even help you detect medical issues early. In the United States, dog ownership is very popular, with millions of families welcoming dogs into their homes. With this popularity comes responsibility, and grooming plays an important role in responsible pet care. While many dog owners seek the services of professional groomers, you can handle many grooming tasks yourself at home with the right tools, knowledge, and patience. So, what exactly does dog grooming involve? Grooming includes several important activities: brushing and maintaining your dog's coat, bathing, trimming nails, cleaning ears, and dental care. Let's explore each of these in detail. Brushing your dog's coat. Brushing is perhaps the most important regular grooming task you can perform at home. It removes loose fur, dirt, and debris, and helps prevent tangles and matting, which can be painful and cause skin irritation. The frequency and technique of brushing vary depending on your dog's breed and coat type. For dogs with long or thick coats, such as golden retrievers, poodles, and shih tzus, daily brushing is ideal to keep their fur free of knots and mats. Short-haired dogs, like beagles or boxers, generally need brushing once or twice a week. When brushing, always use a brush or comb that matches your dog's coat type. For example, slicker brushes work well for removing tangles from long-haired dogs, while bristle brushes are good for short coats. Be gentle and patient. Brushing should be a positive experience for your dog, so take your time and offer plenty of praise and treats. Use slow, steady strokes and check for any lumps, bumps, or signs of skin irritation while you groom. Bathing your dog. Bathing is an essential part of grooming, but should not be done too frequently. Overbathing can strip your dog's skin of natural oils, leading to dryness and irritation. Typically, bathing your dog every 4 to 6 weeks is sufficient, although active dogs that spend time outdoors may need more frequent baths. Always use dog-specific shampoo and conditioner. Human shampoos are too harsh and can disrupt your dog's skin pH balance, causing itching or dryness. When bathing, be sure to rinse thoroughly to remove all shampoo residue, which can also irritate the skin. After the bath, dry your dog well using towels or a pet-friendly blow dryer on a low setting. Avoid high heat, which can damage their skin. Nail trimming. Nail care is often overlooked, but extremely important. Dogs' nails grow continuously, and if not trimmed, they can become overgrown and cause discomfort, pain, or even affect your dog's walking posture. Check your dog's nails every 1 to 2 weeks. If you hear clicking sounds on hard floors or notice the nails touching the ground, it's time for a trim. If you're new to nail trimming, consider using a nail grinder, which is safer and less intimidating than traditional clippers. Always be cautious not to cut into the quick, the sensitive part inside the nail that contains blood vessels. If you accidentally do, use styptic powder or cornstarch to stop bleeding. If you're unsure about trimming nails yourself, seek guidance from a veterinarian or professional groomer. Ear care. Ear infections are common in dogs and can cause discomfort, itching, and serious health problems if untreated. Regular ear checks and cleaning are necessary, especially for breeds with floppy ears like Cocker Spaniels, Basset Hounds, and Bulldogs. Inspect your dog's ears weekly for redness, swelling, discharge, or bad odor. Clean ears gently with a vet-approved ear cleaning solution using cotton balls or gauze. Avoid using cotton swabs deep inside the ear canal, as this can cause damage. If your dog scratches their ears frequently, shakes their head, or seems in pain, consult your vet immediately. Dental care. Good dental hygiene is crucial for your dog's overall health. Poor dental care can lead to bad breath, gum disease, tooth loss, and even impact your dog's heart and kidneys. Brush your dog's teeth regularly using toothpaste formulated for dogs. Never use human toothpaste, which contains ingredients harmful to pets. In addition to brushing, provide dental chews and toys that help reduce plaque and tartar buildup. Regular veterinary dental checkups are also recommended to keep your dog's mouth healthy. Grooming as bonding. Grooming isn't just about cleanliness. It's also a wonderful way to bond with your dog. Regular grooming sessions can build trust, provide comfort, and make your dog feel loved and cared for. Many dogs grow to enjoy grooming, especially when it's associated with gentle handling, praise, and treats. Essential grooming tools. To groom your dog effectively at home, you'll need a few basic tools. Brushes and combs suited to your dog's coat type. Dog-friendly shampoo and conditioner. Nail clippers or a nail grinder. Ear cleaning solution. Dog toothpaste and toothbrush. Towels for drying. Styptic powder or pencil for nail trims. Optional grooming scissors or clippers for trimming hair. Investing in good quality tools will make grooming easier and safer. When to seek professional grooming. Some dogs require professional grooming services, particularly those with thick, curly, or very long coats that need special care. Professional groomers can handle haircuts, specialty trims, and thorough cleaning that might be difficult to manage at home. Even if you use professional services, it's important to maintain regular grooming at home between appointments. Conclusion. To summarize, grooming is a vital part of your dog's health and happiness. It includes regular brushing, bathing, nail trimming, ear cleaning, and dental care. Using the right tools and products designed for dogs ensures safety and effectiveness. Grooming helps prevent health issues, keeps your dog comfortable, and strengthens your bond. Start slowly and make grooming a positive experience for your furry friend. Thank you for joining this introductory chapter on dog grooming. In the next chapter, we will explore brushing techniques and coat care for different breeds in detail. Welcome back to our dog grooming series. In this chapter, we will focus on brushing techniques and how to care for the coats of different dog breeds. Understanding your dog's coat type and knowing the right brushing method can make grooming easier, more effective, and enjoyable for both you and your dog. Dogs come in a variety of coat types, from short and smooth to long and curly. Each type needs special care to keep the coat healthy, shiny, and free from mats and tangles. 1. Understanding different coat types. The first step in proper grooming is identifying your dog's coat type. The main coat types include short coat. These dogs have smooth, close-lying fur. Breeds like Beagles, Boxers, and Dobermans fall into this category. Double coat. Dogs with double coats have a soft, dense undercoat and a coarser outer coat. Breeds like Golden Retrievers, Siberian Huskies, and German Shepherds have double coats. Long coat. These dogs have long hair that can be straight or wavy. Examples include Shih Tzus, Maltese, and Yorkshire Terriers. Curly or wavy coat. Breeds such as Poodles and Bichon Frises have curly or wavy fur that requires special care. Wire coat. Dogs like the wire-haired Fox Terrier have a coarse, bristly coat. Each coat type requires specific brushing tools and techniques. 2. Choosing the right brush. Using the right brush for your dog's coat type makes grooming effective and comfortable. Here are some common brush types. Bristle brush. Best for short-haired dogs to remove loose hair and dirt. Slicker brush. Designed with fine, short wires close together. Ideal for removing mats and tangles in long, curly, or wiry coats. Pin brush. Similar to a hairbrush, good for medium to long coats. Undercoat rake. Helps remove loose undercoat in double-coated breeds. Comb. Useful for detangling and finishing touches. 3. Brushing techniques by coat type. Short coats. Use a bristle brush or rubber grooming mitt. Brush in the direction of hair growth with gentle strokes. Brushing once or twice a week is usually enough. Double coats. Use an undercoat rake or slicker brush to remove loose undercoat hair, especially during shedding season. Be careful not to damage the top coat. Regular brushing prevents mats and keeps the coat healthy. Long coats. Daily brushing is important to prevent tangles. Start at the tips and work your way toward the skin, gently detangling knots. Use a slicker brush combined with a metal comb for stubborn mats. Curly coats. Curly coats are prone to mats and require frequent brushing, ideally daily. Use a slicker brush and comb to gently separate curls. Wire coats. Use a slicker brush and a stripping knife for seasonal coat maintenance. 4. How to brush properly. Start by calming your dog and choosing a comfortable spot. Use gentle, slow strokes and be patient. Pay extra attention to areas prone to mats, behind ears, under legs, around the collar, and the tail. If you encounter mats, don't pull hard. Use your fingers or scissors carefully to loosen them. Make brushing fun by offering treats and praise. 5. Managing shedding. Shedding is natural, especially in double-coated breeds. Regular brushing reduces loose hair around your home and keeps your dog comfortable. During heavy shedding seasons, increase brushing frequency. 6. Common grooming challenges. Mats and tangles can cause skin irritation if not treated. Use detangling sprays or seek professional help for severe mats. Sensitive skin. Use gentle brushes and avoid overbrushing. Anxiety. Some dogs may resist grooming. Start slow and build trust gradually. 7. Additional coat care tips. Regular baths with the right shampoo help keep the coat clean. Healthy diet supports a shiny coat. Protect your dog's coat from extreme weather. Use protective clothing if needed. Understanding your dog's coat type and brushing correctly are key to effective grooming. With patience and the right tools, grooming can become an enjoyable part of your routine, keeping your dog happy and healthy. Welcome back to our dog grooming series. In this chapter, we're going to talk all about bathing your dog, when to do it, how to do it right, and what products to use. Bathing is an essential part of keeping your dog clean, healthy, and comfortable, but it needs to be done properly to avoid skin issues. Why bathing is important. Bathing your dog removes dirt, allergens, and odors from their coat and skin. It also helps get rid of loose hair and can soothe irritated skin. Proper bathing can prevent infections and keep your dog looking and feeling their best. However, overbathing can strip the skin of natural oils, causing dryness and irritation. So it's important to find the right balance for your dog's needs. How often should you bathe your dog? Most dogs don't need frequent baths. Generally, bathing once every 4 to 6 weeks is enough for most dogs, unless your dog gets especially dirty or smelly. Certain factors affect how often you should bathe your dog, including breed and coat type. Dogs with oily coats or skin conditions might need more frequent baths. Double-coated breeds often require fewer baths. Activity level. Dogs that spend a lot of time outdoors or get dirty more often may need baths more frequently. Health conditions. Dogs with allergies or skin problems may need special bathing routines, as recommended by a vet. Preparing for bath time. Before you start, gather all your supplies. Dog-specific shampoo and conditioner. Towels. Brush or comb. Non-slip mat for the tub or bathing area. Cup or sprayer for rinsing. Brush your dog before the bath to remove loose hair and tangles. This helps the shampoo reach the skin and makes rinsing easier. Choosing the right shampoo and conditioner. Always use products made specifically for dogs. Human shampoos can upset your dog's skin pH and cause irritation. Look for shampoos that are gentle and moisturizing, are free of harsh chemicals, dyes, and fragrances. Address your dog's specific needs, e.g., hypoallergenic, flea control, sensitive skin. Conditioners can help keep the coat soft and manageable, especially for long-haired dogs. Bathing step by step. Place a non-slip mat in the tub or bathing area to prevent slipping. Wet your dog thoroughly with lukewarm water. Apply shampoo starting from the neck, working down to the tail, avoiding the eyes and inside ears. Massage the shampoo into the coat and skin gently. Rinse thoroughly to remove all shampoo. Leftover shampoo can cause itching. Apply conditioner if using, then rinse again completely. Towel dry your dog as much as possible. Use a pet-safe blow dryer on a low setting if your dog tolerates it. Praise and reward your dog for good behavior. Tips for bathing success. Keep calm and speak softly to reassure your dog. Use treats to create positive associations with bath time. Avoid getting water in the ears and eyes. If your dog is nervous, consider bathing outside or using a handheld sprayer. When to see a professional. If your dog has severe skin issues, fleas, or other health concerns, consult a veterinarian or professional groomer before bathing. They can recommend medicated shampoos or treatments. After the bath, regular brushing after bathing helps prevent mats and keeps the coat shiny. Also, check your dog's skin for any unusual signs like redness, bumps, or dryness. Bathing your dog properly keeps them clean, healthy, and comfortable. Use dog-specific products, bathe at appropriate intervals, and make bath time a positive experience. In the next chapter, we will explore nail trimming and paw care. Welcome back to our dog grooming series. In this chapter, we'll focus on two very important but often overlooked parts of dog grooming: nail trimming and paw care. Keeping your dog's nails at the right length and caring for their paws not only ensures comfort, but also prevents injury and long-term health problems. Why nail trimming matters. Dogs' nails grow continuously, just like human nails. If left untrimmed, they can become overgrown and cause discomfort or even pain when your dog walks. Overgrown nails can also affect your dog's posture and gait, potentially leading to joint or bone problems. Long nails are prone to splitting, cracking, and sometimes can even grow into the paw pads, causing infections. Regular trimming keeps nails healthy and your dog comfortable. How often should you trim your dog's nails? The frequency depends on your dog's activity level and the surfaces they walk on. Dogs who regularly walk on hard surfaces like sidewalks often wear their nails down naturally and may need trims every 3 to 4 weeks. Dogs who spend most time indoors or on soft surfaces may need more frequent trims, sometimes weekly. How to trim nails safely. Before you start, gather your tools. Nail clippers designed for dogs, guillotine or scissor style. Nail grinder optional for smoothing rough edges. Styptic powder or cornstarch to stop bleeding if you trim too short. Treats for positive reinforcement. Here's the step-by-step process. Choose a calm time and place where your dog feels comfortable. Hold your dog's paw firmly but gently. Identify the quick, the pink part inside the nail containing blood vessels. For dogs with dark nails, this can be tricky, so trim small bits at a time. Cut the tip of the nail, avoiding the quick. If your dog has light nails, trimming just before the pink quick is safe. Use the grinder to smooth rough edges after clipping, if you have one. If you accidentally cut the quick and it bleeds, apply styptic powder or cornstarch to stop the bleeding. Praise and reward your dog throughout to keep the experience positive. Tips for nail trimming success. Start trimming nails gradually if your dog is new to it. Take breaks if your dog becomes anxious. Keep sessions short and positive. Use treats and gentle praise. If your dog is very anxious or difficult, consider seeking professional help. Paw care basics. Your dog's paws take a lot of wear and tear, so regular care is essential. Inspect paws regularly for cuts, cracks, foreign objects, or infections. Clean between toes to remove dirt and debris. Moisturize dry or cracked paw pads with dog-safe balms. Avoid human lotions. In winter, protect paws from mice, salt, and chemicals by using booties or paw wax. After outdoor walks, wipe paws clean to remove allergens or irritants. Common paw problems. Cracked pads can be painful and lead to infection. Cuts and scrapes. Clean wounds immediately and monitor. Allergies. Paws can become red and itchy due to allergies. Infections. Signs include swelling, discharge, or foul smell. When to consult a vet. If you notice swelling, persistent limping, bleeding, or signs of infection, seek veterinary care promptly. Summary. Regular nail trimming and proper paw care are key parts of your dog's grooming routine. They keep your dog comfortable, prevent injuries, and support overall health. Remember to be patient and gentle, and make grooming a positive experience. Thank you for joining this chapter. Next, we will dive into ear cleaning and dental hygiene, vital for your dog's health. Welcome back to our dog grooming series. In this chapter, we will discuss 2 essential but often overlooked parts of grooming: ear cleaning and dental hygiene. Proper care of your dog's ears and teeth plays a crucial role in their overall health and comfort. Why ear cleaning is important. Dogs' ears are prone to infections, especially breeds with floppy ears like Cocker Spaniels, Basset Hounds, and Bulldogs. Dirt, wax buildup, moisture, and allergens can cause irritation or infection if not properly cleaned. Regular ear cleaning helps prevent infections, detects problems early, and keeps your dog comfortable. How often should you clean your dog's ears? Cleaning frequency depends on your dog's breed, activity, and health. Dogs with floppy ears or lots of hair in their ears may need cleaning every 1 to 2 weeks. Dogs prone to ear infections should have more frequent checks and cleanings. For most other dogs, a monthly cleaning is usually sufficient. How to clean your dog's ears safely. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. Gather supplies. Vet-approved ear cleaning solution, cotton balls, or gauze. Find a comfortable spot. Make sure your dog is relaxed. Hold the ear flap upright to expose the ear canal. Apply the ear cleaner into the ear canal as directed. Massage the base of the ear gently for 20 to 30 seconds to loosen debris. Allow your dog to shake their head to help remove excess fluid. Use a cotton ball or gauze to wipe out dirt and wax from the ear flap and canal entrance. Never use cotton swabs inside the ear canal, as they can damage delicate structures. Signs of ear problems. Watch for these signs and contact your vet if you notice them. Redness or swelling. Foul odor, excessive scratching or head shaking, discharge or crusting, sensitivity or pain when touching ears. Dental hygiene. Why it matters. Dental health impacts more than just your dog's mouth. Poor oral hygiene can lead to bad breath, gum disease, tooth loss, and even affect your dog's heart, kidneys, and liver. How often should you brush your dog's teeth? Ideally, you should brush your dog's teeth daily. If that's not possible, aim for at least 3 times a week. Regular brushing prevents plaque buildup and keeps gums healthy. Choosing the right tools. Dog-specific toothpaste. Never use human toothpaste, which is toxic to dogs. Dog toothbrush or finger brush. Choose a brush designed for dogs that fits comfortably in your hand and your dog's mouth. How to brush your dog's teeth. Introduce the toothpaste and brush gradually. Let your dog taste the toothpaste first. Start by gently rubbing your dog's gums and teeth with your finger. Use the toothbrush to brush in small circles on the outside surfaces of teeth and gums. Be gentle and patient, praising your dog throughout. Focus on the back teeth, where plaque builds up most. Keep sessions short initially and increase as your dog gets used to it. Other dental care tips. Provide dental chews and toys designed to reduce plaque. Regular veterinary dental checkups and professional cleanings are essential. Watch for signs of dental problems: bad breath, difficulty eating, swollen or bleeding gums. Summary: proper ear cleaning and dental hygiene are critical for your dog's health and comfort. With gentle care and regular routines, you can prevent infections and dental diseases that affect your dog's quality of life. Thank you for joining this chapter. Next, we'll explore trimming and styling your dog's coat. Welcome back to our dog grooming series. In this chapter, we'll dive into trimming and styling your dog's coat. Whether you want to maintain a neat look, keep your dog comfortable, or prepare them for a special occasion, learning basic trimming and styling techniques can be very helpful. Why trim and style? Trimming your dog's coat helps prevent mats and tangles, reduces shedding, and keeps your dog cool in warmer months. Styling can highlight your dog's breed characteristics and personality. Plus, a well-groomed dog often feels happier and healthier. Tools you'll need: grooming scissors, rounded tip for safety, thinning shears, clippers with different blade sizes, comb and brush, grooming table or a non-slip surface, clippers, oil, and cleaning brush. Preparing your dog. Make sure your dog is clean and brushed before trimming. Choose a calm, well-lit area. Use treats and praise to keep your dog relaxed. Basic trimming techniques. Scissoring. Use scissors to trim around the face, paws, and sanitary areas. Take small snips and be cautious near sensitive spots. Clipping. Use clippers to shorten the coat on the body, especially for thick or long fur. Start with a longer blade and gradually go shorter as needed. Thinning. Thinning shears help blend different lengths of hair for a natural look. Trimming specific areas. Face. Trim around eyes and muzzle carefully to improve visibility and cleanliness. Paws. Trim hair between toes and around pads to prevent dirt buildup. Sanitary areas. Keep these areas neat to maintain hygiene. Tail. Trim or shape the tail hair depending on breed and preference. Styling by breed. Different breeds have unique grooming styles. For example, Poodles require regular clipping and shaping to maintain their signature look. Terriers often have hand-stripped coats to preserve texture. Spaniels benefit from trimming around ears and feet for a tidy appearance. Long-haired breeds need regular trims to avoid mats. Tips for safe grooming. Take frequent breaks. Keep scissors and clippers clean and sharp. Never rush, especially around sensitive areas. If unsure, seek help from a professional groomer. When to visit a professional. Complex styles, hand stripping, or major coat changes are best left to professionals. Regular home grooming combined with professional visits offers the best care. Summary: trimming and styling keep your dog comfortable and looking great. With the right tools, patience, and practice, you can master basic grooming at home and enjoy a closer bond with your furry friend. Thank you for following this chapter. Up next, maintaining a healthy diet and its impact on your dog's coat and skin. Welcome back to our dog grooming series. In this chapter, we're going to discuss how grooming needs change with the seasons, especially during the hot summer months and cold winter months here in the United States. Seasonal grooming is essential for keeping your dog comfortable, healthy, and happy all year long. Why seasonal grooming matters. Dogs' coats and skin respond differently to changes in temperature, humidity, and weather. If you don't adjust grooming routines according to the season, your dog might suffer from overheating, dry skin, or other discomforts. Summer grooming tips. Keep the coat shorter. Many dog owners choose to trim or shave thick or long coats during summer to help their dog stay cool. However, some breeds need their coats to protect against sunburn, so consult your vet before shaving. More frequent baths. Sweating is limited in dogs, so regular baths help remove dirt, allergens, and excess oils that accumulate during summer activities. Brush often. Shedding usually increases in warmer months. Brushing frequently removes loose hair and helps prevent mats. Check for parasites. Fleas, ticks, and mosquitoes are more active in summer. Regular grooming helps detect and prevent infestations. Protect paws. Hot pavement can burn paw pads. Consider walking your dog in the early morning or evening and use paw wax or booties if needed. Hydrate and cool. Keep your dog well hydrated and provide shade during outdoor grooming or walks. Winter grooming tips. Maintain coat length. In colder months, dogs rely on their coats for warmth. Avoid shaving or trimming too short. Instead, focus on brushing to keep the coat clean and free of mats. Moisturize skin. Cold air and indoor heating can dry out your dog's skin. Use dog-safe moisturizers or coconut oil as recommended by your vet. Clean paws after walks. Ice, snow, and salt can irritate paws. Wipe your dog's feet thoroughly after outdoor walks. Trim hair around paws. Long hair can trap ice balls, so trimming hair between toes helps keep paws comfortable. Use protective clothing. Sweaters and jackets can help short-haired or small breeds stay warm, but make sure they don't restrict movement. Limit baths. Overbathing in winter can strip natural oils, so bathe less frequently and use moisturizing shampoos. Adjusting grooming frequency. Seasonal changes affect shedding, coat condition, and skin health. Monitor your dog closely and adjust grooming routines accordingly. Some dogs shed heavily in spring and fall, requiring more brushing. Signs your dog needs seasonal grooming attention. Excessive scratching or licking. Dry, flaky skin. Matted fur or tangles. Changes in coat texture or color. Discomfort in hot or cold weather. Final thoughts. Being aware of your dog's seasonal grooming needs ensures they stay comfortable and healthy throughout the year. With a little attention and care, you can help your dog enjoy every season. Thank you for listening to this chapter. Up next, we'll cover handling shedding, techniques and tools to manage excess fur. Welcome back to our dog grooming series. In this chapter, we'll dive into one of the most common challenges dog owners face, shedding. Shedding is natural and varies by breed, season, and individual dog, but managing excess fur is essential to keep your home clean and your dog comfortable. What is shedding? Shedding is the process of dogs losing old or damaged hair to make way for new growth. It's a normal part of a dog's hair cycle and helps maintain a healthy coat. Why do dogs shed? Seasonal changes. Most dogs shed more in spring and fall to prepare for warmer or cooler weather. Breed. Double-coated breeds shed heavily, while others shed less. Health. Poor nutrition, allergies, stress, or illness can increase shedding. Environment. Indoor dogs with controlled temperatures may shed differently than outdoor dogs. Signs of excessive shedding. Large clumps of fur around the house. Visible bald spots or thinning fur. Itchy or irritated skin. Sudden increase in hair loss. If you notice these, consult your veterinarian to rule out health issues. Tools to manage shedding. Using the right grooming tools can dramatically reduce shedding. Slicker brushes. Great for removing loose hair and preventing mats. Undercoat rakes. Designed to reach deep under the top coat to remove dead undercoat hairs, especially for double-coated breeds. Deshedding tools. Popular brands like the Furminator help remove loose fur effectively. Rubber curry brushes. Good for short-haired dogs to massage the skin and remove loose hair. Vacuum attachments. Some vacuums come with pet grooming attachments to remove hair while vacuuming. Shedding control techniques. Regular brushing. Brush your dog several times a week or daily during peak shedding seasons to catch loose hair before it falls. Bathing. Use a de-shedding shampoo to loosen dead hair, followed by thorough brushing after drying. Healthy diet. Proper nutrition supports coat health and reduces excessive shedding. Hydration. Keep your dog hydrated to maintain healthy skin and coat. Manage stress. Stress can trigger shedding, so provide a calm environment. Grooming tips for different coat types. Short-haired dogs. Use rubber curry brushes or bristle brushes to remove loose hair. Double-coated dogs. Use undercoat rakes and de-shedding tools regularly. Long-haired dogs. Frequent brushing with slicker brushes helps prevent mats and removes dead hair. Home tips for managing shedding. Use washable slip covers and blankets. Vacuum frequently with pet-friendly attachments. Use lint rollers or pet hair removers on clothes and furniture. Keep your dog's grooming area clean. When to see a professional. If shedding is excessive or accompanied by skin irritation, bald spots, or behavioral changes, consult a vet or professional groomer. They can recommend treatments or grooming plans tailored to your dog. Summary: shedding is natural but manageable. With regular grooming, the right tools, and proper care, you can keep your dog's coat healthy and your home fur-free. Thank you for joining this chapter. Next up, grooming puppies. Special care and tips for young dogs. Welcome back to our dog grooming series. This chapter focuses on grooming puppies, a special and important stage in your dog's life. Starting grooming early helps your puppy get used to the process, making grooming easier and more enjoyable as they grow. Why start grooming early? Introducing grooming at a young age helps your puppy develop positive associations with being handled. It builds trust and reduces fear or anxiety about baths, brushing, nail trimming, and ear cleaning later in life, creating a positive experience. Use gentle touch and a calm voice. Keep sessions short, around 5 to 10 minutes. Offer lots of praise and treats. Take breaks if your puppy gets restless or scared. Basic puppy grooming tasks. Brushing. Start with a soft brush suitable for your puppy's coat type. Brushing stimulates circulation and helps remove loose fur. Bathing. Use puppy-specific shampoo. Puppies have sensitive skin, so avoid harsh products. Bathe only when necessary. Nail trimming. Puppies' nails grow fast, so introduce clippers or grinders gently. Trim small amounts and be careful of the quick. Ear cleaning. Use vet-approved solutions and soft cloths or cotton balls. Avoid cotton swabs. Teeth brushing. Begin dental care early with dog-safe toothpaste and a finger brush or soft toothbrush. Tools for puppy grooming. Soft bristle brushes. Gentle puppy shampoo. Small nail clippers or grinders. Ear cleaning solution. Puppy toothbrush and toothpaste. Building a routine. Establish a consistent grooming schedule early. Regular grooming helps your puppy adapt and reduces resistance. Handling common puppy challenges. Puppies may wiggle or resist. Be patient and gentle. Use distraction techniques like toys or treats. Never force grooming. Make it a game or bonding time. Health checks during grooming. Grooming is a good time to check for signs of health problems like skin irritations, fleas, ticks, or unusual lumps. Socializing your puppy. Incorporate grooming with socialization. Gently expose your puppy to different sounds, sights, and experiences to build confidence. When to seek professional help. If you're unsure about grooming techniques or your puppy has special needs, consult a professional groomer or veterinarian. Summary: starting grooming early sets your puppy up for a lifetime of good hygiene and comfort. Patience, positive reinforcement, and regular care will help your puppy enjoy grooming and strengthen your bond. Thank you for listening. Next, we will talk about grooming senior dogs and how to adapt your techniques as your pet ages. Welcome back to our dog grooming series. Today, we're focusing on a very special topic: grooming senior dogs. As our furry friends age, their grooming needs change significantly. Understanding these changes and adapting your grooming routine can help keep your senior dog comfortable, healthy, and happy. Grooming isn't just about keeping your dog looking good. For older dogs, it's a vital part of maintaining their quality of life. It helps with skin health, mobility, hygiene, and even mental well-being. Let's dive into how you can best care for your senior dog's grooming needs. Understanding the aging process in dogs. Just like humans, dogs go through many physical changes as they age. These changes affect their skin, coat, joints, teeth, and overall health. Skin. Senior dogs often develop thinner, more fragile skin that's prone to dryness and irritation. Coat. Hair may become thinner, duller, or change texture. Some dogs lose pigment, leading to gray or white hairs. Joints and mobility. Arthritis or joint stiffness can make standing or moving for grooming difficult or painful. Sensory changes. Hearing and vision loss are common, which can make grooming stressful or frightening if not handled carefully. Dental health. Older dogs often have dental disease that causes discomfort during mouth-related grooming. Knowing these factors helps tailor your grooming routine appropriately. Preparing your senior dog for grooming. Before you begin, make sure your senior dog is comfortable. Choose a quiet, warm, and safe grooming environment. Use non-slip mats or padded surfaces to support joints. Keep grooming sessions shorter and frequent rather than long and exhausting. Speak calmly and gently, using reassuring tones. Watch your dog closely for any signs of discomfort or stress. Brushing and coat care for senior dogs. Brushing your senior dog has many benefits. It stimulates blood circulation, removes loose hair, and helps detect skin problems early. Use soft bristled brushes or grooming mitts to avoid irritating thin or sensitive skin. Avoid vigorous brushing that can cause scratches or pain. Brush gently in the direction of hair growth. Pay close attention to areas prone to mats, such as behind the ears, under the legs, and around the tail. If mats are present, use detangling sprays or consult a professional groomer for safe removal. Frequency depends on your dog's coat type. Some may need daily brushing, others just a few times a week. Bathing senior dogs. Bathing is important but needs to be done carefully. Use gentle, moisturizing shampoos designed for sensitive or aging skin. Avoid harsh detergents or frequent bathing that strip natural oils. Use lukewarm water to avoid shocking or chilling your dog. Support your dog's body during bathing, especially if mobility is limited. Thoroughly rinse out shampoo to prevent irritation. Dry your dog with soft towels and, if tolerated, use a low-heat pet dryer. Keep baths infrequent, once every 4 to 6 weeks or as recommended by your vet. Nail care for senior dogs. Nail trimming can be more challenging but just as important. Older dogs may have thicker, harder nails or slower growth. Use sharp, high-quality nail clippers or grinders. Trim nails carefully to avoid cracking or splitting. Be gentle with paws, as arthritis or joint pain can make handling uncomfortable. Take frequent breaks and reward your dog with treats. If your dog is anxious or unable to tolerate nail trims, consult a professional groomer or vet. Dental care in senior dogs. Dental health is closely tied to grooming. Brush your dog's teeth regularly with dog-specific toothpaste. Check for signs of dental disease like bad breath, bleeding gums, or difficulty eating. Dental issues can cause pain that affects grooming tolerance. Schedule regular veterinary dental cleanings. Offer dental chews or toys recommended by your vet. Managing sensory and mobility issues during grooming. If your dog has hearing loss, avoid sudden noises and speak softly. For vision loss, approach calmly and let your dog know you are there before touching. Use gentle, slow movements to avoid startling your dog. Make sure your dog is safely supported to prevent falls. Consider shorter, more frequent sessions to reduce fatigue. Detecting health issues through grooming. Regular grooming allows you to spot changes early. Look for skin lumps, bumps, or wounds. Check for redness, swelling, or unusual odors. Monitor coat changes, hair loss, or dry patches. Pay attention to behavior during grooming, signs of pain or discomfort. Early detection means quicker veterinary care and better outcomes. Making grooming comfortable and positive. Always use positive reinforcement, treats, praise, and gentle petting. Be patient and allow your dog to take breaks. Use calming techniques like soft music or pheromone sprays. Consider hiring a groomer who specializes in senior dogs if you feel uncomfortable or your dog needs special care. Summary: grooming senior dogs is about adapting to their unique needs with care, patience, and gentleness. It improves their comfort, hygiene, and quality of life. Regular grooming also strengthens the bond between you and your beloved companion. Thank you for listening to this detailed chapter on grooming senior dogs. Up next, we will cover how to safely handle grooming anxiety and fear in dogs. Welcome back to our comprehensive dog grooming series. Today, we're tackling an important and sensitive subject that many dog owners face: how to safely handle grooming anxiety and fear in dogs. Grooming can be a stressful experience for many dogs, but with patience, understanding, and the right techniques, you can turn grooming into a calm and even enjoyable part of your dog's routine. Understanding grooming anxiety and fear in dogs. Dogs experience anxiety and fear for various reasons related to grooming. Some dogs have had negative past experiences, such as painful clipping or harsh handling. Others may be sensitive to unfamiliar sights, sounds, or smells associated with grooming tools or environments. Additionally, dogs who were not socialized to grooming at a young age might feel unsure or scared during grooming sessions. Common causes of grooming anxiety include fear of restraint. Many dogs dislike being held or restrained tightly, which can trigger panic. Sensory overload. The sound of clippers, blow dryers, or brushes may be overwhelming. Pain or discomfort. Dogs with sensitive skin, injuries, or health issues may find grooming painful. Unfamiliar environment. A strange grooming area or presence of strangers can cause stress. Generalized anxiety. Some dogs are naturally more anxious or fearful. Recognizing the root cause of your dog's fear is essential to addressing it properly. Recognizing signs of anxiety and fear during grooming. It's important to be able to read your dog's body language to identify anxiety early and respond appropriately. Some signs include trembling or shaking, excessive panting, whining, barking, or growling, attempts to escape or hide, freezing or becoming very still, avoiding eye contact or turning the head away, excessive licking of lips or yawning, tail tucked between legs, pacing or restlessness. If you observe these signs, it's best to pause and give your dog a break or try a different approach. Preparing your dog and the environment for calm grooming. Creating a positive grooming experience starts before you pick up the brush or clippers. Here's how to set the stage. Create a calm space. Choose a quiet, comfortable area where your dog feels safe. Minimize loud noises and distractions. Use soft lighting rather than harsh overhead lights. Gather all tools in advance. Having everything ready avoids rushing and interruptions. Use grooming tools that your dog is accustomed to or introduce new tools slowly. Schedule grooming at the right time. Groom your dog when they are naturally calm, such as after a walk or playtime. Avoid grooming when your dog is tired, hungry, or overstimulated. Techniques to reduce grooming anxiety. Helping your dog relax during grooming takes patience and consistent effort. The following techniques are effective. Positive reinforcement. Reward your dog for calm behavior with treats, praise, or gentle petting. This builds a positive association with grooming. Desensitization. Gradually expose your dog to grooming tools and activities without performing full grooming. For example, let your dog sniff clippers or brushes while offering treats. Counter conditioning. Pair grooming-related stimuli with something enjoyable. For instance, start brushing while giving your dog their favorite treat. Short and frequent sessions. Instead of long, stressful grooming sessions, opt for short, regular grooming times to build tolerance. Use gentle restraint. Avoid harsh holds or tight restraints. Use a grooming loop or softly hold paws and ears only when necessary. Allow breaks. If your dog becomes restless or stressed, pause and let them relax before continuing. Tools and products that help calm anxious dogs. Certain products can make grooming less intimidating. Thundershirts or anxiety wraps. These apply gentle pressure to calm your dog. Calming pheromone sprays or diffusers mimic natural calming scents. Natural supplements. Ingredients like chamomile or CBD may help anxiety. Consult your vet first. Noise reduction. Use white noise machines or soundproofing to minimize startling sounds. Low noise grooming tools. Some clippers and dryers are designed to operate quietly, handling difficult behaviors safely. Sometimes dogs react fearfully or aggressively during grooming. Safety is a priority. If your dog shows signs of aggression or extreme distress, stop immediately. Never punish your dog. This worsens fear and damages trust. Use a muzzle only if trained and necessary for safety. Consult a professional groomer or veterinary behaviorist if behaviors are unmanageable. Grooming tips for dogs with anxiety or fear. Approach your dog slowly and calmly, speaking in a soothing voice. Let your dog sniff and explore grooming tools before use. Use treats continuously during grooming to reward cooperation. Avoid forcing your dog into uncomfortable positions. Groom in a familiar area where your dog feels safe. Try massage or gentle petting before and during grooming to relax muscles. Be patient. Progress may be slow but consistent. When to seek professional help. If grooming anxiety persists despite your best efforts, professionals can help. Professional groomers experienced with fearful dogs use specialized handling techniques. Veterinary behaviorists can assess and treat underlying anxiety disorders. Sedation or calming medications may be options under veterinary guidance. The importance of building trust. Ultimately, grooming is a bonding experience. Building your dog's trust through patience, kindness, and positive reinforcement will make grooming a safer and happier experience for both of you. Summary: grooming anxiety and fear are common, but with the right approach, you can help your dog overcome these challenges. Start slow, stay calm, reward good behavior, and seek professional guidance if needed. Your efforts will pay off in a more relaxed, happier dog and a stress-free grooming routine. Thank you for joining this detailed chapter on handling grooming anxiety and fear. Up next, we'll explore dealing with common skin conditions during grooming. Welcome back to our detailed dog grooming series. Today, we're diving deep into a very important and sensitive subject that many dog owners face: grooming anxiety and fear in dogs. Grooming can be a stressful and even frightening experience for some dogs, but with patience, understanding, and the right techniques, you can help your furry friend feel safe, calm, and even come to enjoy grooming sessions. Whether your dog gets nervous during baths, shies away from the brush, or panics at the sound of clippers, this chapter will guide you through practical and effective methods to ease your dog's anxiety and make grooming a positive and safe experience. Understanding grooming anxiety and fear in dogs. First, it's important to understand what grooming anxiety and fear actually mean for dogs. Like humans, dogs can experience stress and fear related to specific situations, and grooming is no exception. Why do dogs fear grooming? Past negative experiences. Dogs that have had painful or uncomfortable grooming sessions may associate grooming with fear. This can include being accidentally hurt by clippers, rough handling, or loud, frightening noises. Sensory overload. Grooming involves many unfamiliar sounds, sights, smells, and sensations. The buzz of clippers, the sensation of water during baths, or the smell of grooming products can overwhelm sensitive dogs. Lack of early exposure. Dogs that weren't introduced to grooming early in life may find the process strange and scary. Fear of restraint. Being held still, tied, or confined during grooming can be scary for some dogs. Underlying health problems. Pain, arthritis, or skin irritations can cause discomfort during grooming and increase fear. General anxiety or phobias. Some dogs have a naturally anxious temperament or suffer from other fears that make grooming stressful. Understanding these causes helps us approach grooming with empathy and tailored strategies. Recognizing signs of anxiety and fear during grooming. It's crucial to recognize early signs that your dog is anxious or fearful. Watch closely for body language, tail tucked, ears pinned back, avoiding eye contact, crouching or lowering body. Vocalizations, whining, barking, growling, or excessive panting. Physical reactions, trembling, shaking, pacing, restlessness, or freezing in place. Behavioral responses, trying to escape, biting, snapping, or hiding. Stress signals, excessive licking of lips, yawning, drooling, or shaking off as if wet. If you notice these signs, it's a cue to slow down, pause, or try a different technique. Preparing your dog and environment for a calm grooming session. A calm grooming session starts with the right preparation. Set up a comfortable space. Choose a quiet room free from distractions and loud noises. Ensure the area is warm, well lit but not glaring, and has a non-slip surface to prevent slipping. Gather all grooming tools beforehand so you're not rushing or leaving your dog unattended. Timing is key. Groom when your dog is naturally relaxed, such as after exercise or playtime. Avoid grooming when your dog is hungry, tired, or overly excited. Use familiar tools. Use tools your dog has seen before. Introduce any new equipment slowly, allowing your dog to sniff and explore it before use. Techniques to reduce anxiety and build positive associations. Helping your dog overcome grooming fear requires patience and strategic training. Positive reinforcement. Reward calm and cooperative behavior with treats, praise, or gentle petting. Use high-value treats that your dog loves and offer them frequently during grooming. Gradual desensitization. Introduce grooming tools and actions in small, manageable steps. Start by just touching your dog with a brush, then progress to brushing for a few seconds. Let your dog get used to the sound of clippers by turning them on nearby, without using them on your dog at first. Always pair these exposures with treats and praise. Counter conditioning. Change your dog's emotional response by pairing grooming with something enjoyable. For example, begin grooming while your dog is eating a favorite snack or playing with a toy. Over time, your dog will associate grooming with positive experiences. Short and frequent sessions. Instead of long, overwhelming grooming sessions, keep them brief and frequent. This builds your dog's tolerance gradually without overwhelming them. Gentle handling and restraint. Avoid tight holds or forcing your dog into uncomfortable positions. Use gentle, supportive restraint methods. Allow your dog some movement if possible, without compromising safety. Create a routine. Dogs thrive on predictability. Regular grooming at the same time and place helps your dog anticipate and accept the process. Calming products and tools. Several products can help reduce anxiety during grooming. Thunder shirts or anxiety wraps. Apply gentle, calming pressure to reduce stress. Pheromone sprays and diffusers. Mimic natural calming pheromones that soothe dogs. Natural supplements. Ingredients such as chamomile, valerian root, or CBD oil may help. Always consult your vet before use. Low-noise grooming tools. Clippers and dryers designed to operate quietly can be less intimidating. White noise machines or soft music. Mask frightening noises and create a relaxing atmosphere. Managing difficult or aggressive behavior. Sometimes, fear leads to aggressive or defensive behavior during grooming. Stop and assess. If your dog shows signs of aggression or extreme stress, stop the session immediately. Never punish. Punishment worsens fear and damages your relationship. Use safety tools when necessary. A muzzle may be used for safety, but only if your dog is trained to wear one and never as punishment. Seek professional help. Groomers trained in handling anxious or aggressive dogs or veterinary behaviorists can offer expert assistance. Grooming tips specifically for anxious dogs. Approach your dog calmly and avoid rushing. Use a calm, soothing voice throughout. Let your dog sniff and explore grooming tools before use. Work slowly and gently, pausing frequently to reward good behavior. Use soft brushes and grooming tools to minimize discomfort. Incorporate massage techniques to relax muscles during grooming. Allow your dog to take breaks when needed. Always end grooming sessions on a positive note. When to consult professionals. If your dog's grooming anxiety persists despite your best efforts. If your dog shows aggression that you cannot manage safely. If your dog's anxiety is part of a broader behavioral or health issue. Professionals can provide specialized training, behavioral modification, or, in some cases, recommend sedation options for grooming. Building a long-term positive relationship through grooming. The ultimate goal is to build trust and make grooming a bonding experience. With patience, kindness, and consistent positive experiences, most dogs can overcome grooming anxiety and even enjoy the process. Remember, your attitude and approach greatly influence your dog's comfort and cooperation. Summary: grooming anxiety and fear are common but manageable. By understanding your dog's feelings, preparing properly, using positive training methods, and employing calming aids, you can make grooming safe and stress-free. Never rush or force your dog, and don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed. Your effort will improve your dog's well-being and strengthen your bond. Thank you for joining this in-depth chapter on handling grooming anxiety and fear. In the next chapter, we'll explore how to deal with common skin conditions during grooming. Welcome back to our in-depth dog grooming series. Today, we're going to thoroughly explore a topic that is crucial for many dog owners: grooming anxiety and fear in dogs. If you've ever noticed your dog trembling, trying to hide, or acting nervous during grooming, you're not alone. Many dogs find grooming to be a stressful experience. However, with the right knowledge, techniques, and plenty of patience, you can transform grooming time into a calm, safe, and even enjoyable routine for your furry companion. This chapter will cover everything from understanding why dogs develop grooming fears, recognizing the signs of anxiety, to effective strategies and tools to help your dog feel more comfortable and secure. Whether you're a first-time dog owner or a seasoned pro, this comprehensive guide will equip you with practical advice to make grooming a positive experience. Why do dogs experience grooming anxiety and fear? Before we get into the how-to, it's essential to understand the why. Dogs, like humans, can develop anxieties or fears about specific experiences, and grooming is often one of them. Common causes of grooming anxiety: past negative experiences. Dogs that have been hurt or handled roughly during grooming may associate grooming tools or the process itself with pain or discomfort. For example, a clipper nick, a forceful bath, or even being restrained too tightly can cause lasting fear. Sensory sensitivities. Grooming involves numerous sensory inputs that can overwhelm a dog. The loud, buzzing noise of clippers, the unfamiliar feel of a brush or comb, the wet sensation during baths, the smell of shampoos or sprays. These sensations may trigger anxiety, especially in dogs with heightened sensitivities or those not accustomed to grooming. Lack of early socialization to grooming. Puppies exposed early and gently to grooming are less likely to fear it. Dogs introduced later or abruptly may find grooming strange and frightening. fear of restraint or confinement. Many dogs dislike being held tightly or tied in place. Feeling trapped can provoke panic or resistance. Underlying health issues. Dogs experiencing pain from arthritis, skin infections, or other health problems might associate grooming with discomfort. General anxiety or phobias. Some dogs have a naturally anxious temperament or may have generalized fear responses. Recognizing the signs of grooming anxiety. It's vital to be able to interpret your dog's body language and behaviors during grooming so you can intervene before fear escalates. Common signs include physical symptoms: trembling or shaking, heavy panting, excessive drooling, pacing or restlessness. Vocalizations: whining, growling, barking or whimpering. Body language: tail tucked between legs, ears pinned back, lip licking or yawning stress signals, avoiding eye contact, crouching low, freezing or stiffening. Behavioral signs: attempts to escape or hide, snapping or biting, refusing to move. Understanding these signals allows you to modify your approach to keep your dog calm and safe, preparing the environment for a positive grooming experience. The environment where grooming happens plays a huge role in your dog's comfort level. Tips for creating a calm setting: choose a quiet location. Avoid busy, noisy rooms or outdoor spaces with distractions. Control lighting. Use soft, natural light rather than harsh overhead fluorescence. Provide a non-slip surface. Place non-slip mats or rugs to prevent slipping and build confidence. Set the temperature. Make sure the room is warm but well ventilated to avoid chills or overheating. Organize tools ahead. Have all grooming supplies within reach to avoid leaving your dog alone or rushing. Minimize sudden noises. Turn off TVs, radios, or other electronics that may startle your dog. Preparing yourself and your dog before grooming. Your mindset and preparation matter as much as your dog's comfort. Stay calm and patient. Dogs pick up on your energy. Approach grooming with calmness and positivity. Set realistic expectations. Especially with anxious dogs, progress may be slow. Celebrate small victories. Have high-value treats ready. Use your dog's favorite treats to reward calmness and cooperation. Warm up with gentle petting or massage. Before grooming, spend a few minutes relaxing your dog with gentle strokes. Step-by-step techniques to ease grooming anxiety. 1. Start slow and gradual. Begin by simply touching your dog's paws, ears, and body with your hands. Reward calm behavior. Introduce grooming tools one at a time. Let your dog sniff and investigate brushes, clippers, or towels without pressure. Use treats and praise as you slowly introduce the grooming routine. 2. Desensitization to sounds and sensations. Turn on grooming devices away from your dog initially to let them get used to the sound. Gradually bring tools closer and simulate grooming motions without touching your dog. Over days or weeks, increase exposure time as your dog becomes more comfortable. 3. Counter conditioning. Pair grooming with something your dog loves, favorite treats, toys, or affection. For example, brush a small area and immediately offer a treat. Repeat consistently to build positive associations. 4. Short, frequent sessions. Avoid long sessions that may overwhelm your dog. Several short sessions throughout the week work better than one long one. 5. Gentle handling. Use slow, deliberate movements. Avoid forcing your dog into positions they dislike. Use gentle restraint only when necessary and always with care. 6. Breaks in patience. If your dog becomes stressed, pause the session. Allow your dog time to relax before continuing. End sessions on a positive note even if grooming isn't complete. Useful products and tools to help calm dogs during grooming. Anxiety wraps or thunder shirts. These apply gentle, constant pressure to soothe anxious dogs. Pheromone products. Sprays or diffusers that release calming pheromones mimic the dog's natural comforting scents. Natural calming supplements. Ingredients like chamomile, valerian, or CBD can help anxiety, but always consult your vet before use. Quiet grooming tools. Clippers and dryers designed to reduce noise and vibration are less likely to scare your dog. White noise machines or soft music help drown out frightening sounds and create a peaceful atmosphere. Managing aggressive or extremely fearful behavior. Sometimes fear escalates into aggression. Stop grooming immediately if you sense aggression or your dog is overwhelmed. Never use punishment, which increases fear and damages trust. Use safety measures. A muzzle may be necessary for safety, but should be introduced gradually and humanely. Seek professional help. Behaviorists or groomers with experience in fearful or aggressive dogs can provide specialized care. Grooming tips specifically for anxious or fearful dogs. Use soft brushes and tools to minimize discomfort. Speak in calm, soothing tones. Reassure your dog throughout grooming. Incorporate play and breaks. Use toys or short play sessions between grooming to reduce stress. Allow your dog to take the lead. If they want to move or sniff, allow it as much as safely possible. Consistent routine. Regular grooming helps dogs anticipate what's coming, reducing fear. When to consult professionals. If anxiety persists or worsens despite your efforts. If grooming triggers aggressive or unsafe behavior. If underlying medical conditions may be contributing to fear. Professionals like certified groomers, trainers, and veterinary behaviorists can tailor a plan or recommend medical intervention if needed. The long-term goal, building trust and confidence. Remember, grooming is not just a necessity, but an opportunity to strengthen your bond with your dog. With patience, positive reinforcement, and consistent effort, even the most fearful dogs can learn to tolerate and sometimes even enjoy grooming. Summary: grooming anxiety and fear are common issues, but entirely manageable with the right approach. By understanding your dog's fears, preparing the environment and yourself, using gradual positive techniques, and employing calming aids, you can turn grooming into a safe, comfortable, and rewarding experience. Don't hesitate to seek professional help when needed. Your dog's well-being is worth it. Thank you for joining this detailed chapter on how to safely handle grooming anxiety and fear in dogs. In the next chapter, we'll explore dealing with common skin conditions during grooming. Welcome back to our in-depth dog grooming series. Today, we're going to thoroughly explore a topic that is crucial for many dog owners: grooming anxiety and fear in dogs. If you've ever noticed your dog trembling, trying to hide, or acting nervous during grooming, you're not alone. Many dogs find grooming to be a stressful experience. However, with the right knowledge, techniques, and plenty of patience, you can transform grooming time into a calm, safe, and even enjoyable routine for your furry companion. This chapter will cover everything from understanding why dogs develop grooming fears, recognizing the signs of anxiety, to effective strategies and tools to help your dog feel more comfortable and secure. Whether you're a first-time dog owner or a seasoned pro, this comprehensive guide will equip you with practical advice to make grooming a positive experience. Why do dogs experience grooming anxiety and fear? Before we get into the how-to, it's essential to understand the why. Dogs, like humans, can develop anxieties or fears about specific experiences, and grooming is often one of them. Common causes of grooming anxiety: past negative experiences. Dogs that have been hurt or handled roughly during grooming may associate grooming tools or the process itself with pain or discomfort. For example, a clipper nick, a forceful bath, or even being restrained too tightly can cause lasting fear. Sensory sensitivities. Grooming involves numerous sensory inputs that can overwhelm a dog. The loud, buzzing noise of clippers, the unfamiliar feel of a brush or comb, the wet sensation during baths, the smell of shampoos or sprays. These sensations may trigger anxiety, especially in dogs with heightened sensitivities or those not accustomed to grooming. Lack of early socialization to grooming. Puppies exposed early and gently to grooming are less likely to fear it. Dogs introduced later or abruptly may find grooming strange and frightening. Fear of restraint or confinement. Many dogs dislike being held tightly or tied in place. Feeling trapped can provoke panic or resistance. Underlying health issues. Dogs experiencing pain from arthritis, skin infections, or other health problems might associate grooming with discomfort. General anxiety or phobias. Some dogs have a naturally anxious temperament or may have generalized fear responses. Recognizing the signs of grooming anxiety. It's vital to be able to interpret your dog's body language and behaviors during grooming so you can intervene before fear escalates. Common signs include physical symptoms: trembling or shaking, heavy panting, excessive drooling, pacing or restlessness. Vocalizations: whining, growling, barking, or whimpering. Body language: tail tucked between legs, ears pinned back, lip licking or yawning stress signals, avoiding eye contact, crouching low, freezing or stiffening. Behavioral signs: attempts to escape or hide, snapping or biting, refusing to move. Understanding these signals allows you to modify your approach to keep your dog calm and safe, preparing the environment for a positive grooming experience. The environment where grooming happens plays a huge role in your dog's comfort level. Tips for creating a calm setting. Choose a quiet location. Avoid busy, noisy rooms or outdoor spaces with distractions. Control lighting. Use soft, natural light rather than harsh overhead fluorescence. Provide a non-slip surface. Place non-slip mats or rugs to prevent slipping and build confidence. Set the temperature. Make sure the room is warm but well ventilated to avoid chills or overheating. Organize tools ahead. Have all grooming supplies within reach to avoid leaving your dog alone or rushing. Minimize sudden noises. Turn off TVs, radios, or other electronics that may startle your dog. Preparing yourself and your dog before grooming. Your mindset and preparation matter as much as your dog's comfort. Stay calm and patient. Dogs pick up on your energy. Approach grooming with calmness and positivity. Set realistic expectations. Especially with anxious dogs, progress may be slow. Celebrate small victories. Have high-value treats ready. Use your dog's favorite treats to reward calmness and cooperation. Warm up with gentle petting or massage. Before grooming, spend a few minutes relaxing your dog with gentle strokes. Step-by-step techniques to ease grooming anxiety. 1. Start slow and gradual. Begin by simply touching your dog's paws, ears, and body with your hands. Reward calm behavior. Introduce grooming tools one at a time. Let your dog sniff and investigate brushes, clippers, or towels without pressure. Use treats and praise as you slowly introduce the grooming routine. 2. Desensitization to sounds and sensations. Turn on grooming devices away from your dog initially to let them get used to the sound. Gradually bring tools closer and simulate grooming motions without touching your dog. Over days or weeks, increase exposure time as your dog becomes more comfortable. 3. Counter conditioning. Pair grooming with something your dog loves, favorite treats, toys, or affection. For example, brush a small area and immediately offer a treat. Repeat consistently to build positive associations. 4. Short, frequent sessions. Avoid long sessions that may overwhelm your dog. Several short sessions throughout the week work better than one long one. 5. Gentle handling. Use slow, deliberate movements. Avoid forcing your dog into positions they dislike. Use gentle restraint only when necessary and always with care. 6. Breaks and patience. If your dog becomes stressed, pause the session. Allow your dog time to relax before continuing. End sessions on a positive note even if grooming isn't complete. Useful products and tools to help calm dogs during grooming. Anxiety wraps or thunder shirts. These apply gentle, constant pressure to soothe anxious dogs. Pheromone products. Sprays or diffusers that release calming pheromones mimic the dog's natural comforting scents. Natural calming supplements. Ingredients like chamomile, valerian, or CBD can help anxiety, but always consult your vet before use. Quiet grooming tools. Clippers and dryers designed to reduce noise and vibration are less likely to scare your dog. White noise machines or soft music help drown out frightening sounds and create a peaceful atmosphere. Managing aggressive or extremely fearful behavior. Sometimes fear escalates into aggression. Stop grooming immediately if you sense aggression or your dog is overwhelmed. Never use punishment, which increases fear and damages trust. Use safety measures. A muzzle may be necessary for safety, but should be introduced gradually and humanely. Seek professional help. Behaviorists or groomers with experience in fearful or aggressive dogs can provide specialized care. Grooming tips specifically for anxious or fearful dogs. Use soft brushes and tools to minimize discomfort. Speak in calm, soothing tones. Reassure your dog throughout grooming. Incorporate play and breaks. Use toys or short play sessions between grooming to reduce stress. Allow your dog to take the lead. If they want to move or sniff, allow it as much as safely possible. Consistent routine. Regular grooming helps dogs anticipate what's coming, reducing fear. When to consult professionals. If anxiety persists or worsens despite your efforts. If grooming triggers aggressive or unsafe behavior. If underlying medical conditions may be contributing to fear. Professionals like certified groomers, trainers, and veterinary behaviorists can tailor a plan or recommend medical intervention if needed. The long-term goal, building trust and confidence. Remember, grooming is not just a necessity, but an opportunity to strengthen your bond with your dog. With patience, positive reinforcement, and consistent effort, even the most fearful dogs can learn to tolerate and sometimes even enjoy grooming. Summary: grooming anxiety and fear are common but manageable. By understanding your dog's feelings, preparing properly, using gradual, positive techniques, and employing calming aids, you can turn grooming into a safe, comfortable, and rewarding experience. Don't hesitate to seek professional help when needed. Your dog's well-being is worth it. Thank you for joining this detailed chapter on how to safely handle grooming anxiety and fear in dogs. In the next chapter, we'll explore dealing with common skin conditions during grooming. Welcome back to our dog grooming series. Grooming is not just about keeping your dog looking great. It's also a crucial time to check your dog's skin health. Many common skin conditions can be spotted during grooming, and early detection helps prevent more serious problems. In this chapter, we'll cover the most common skin issues dogs face, how to recognize them, and what steps you should take during grooming if you find something concerning. Understanding these skin conditions will make you a more confident and responsible dog owner. Why skin health matters. Healthy skin is a dog's first line of defense against infections, parasites, and irritants. When skin problems arise, they can cause itching, discomfort, hair loss, and sometimes lead to serious infections if untreated. Regular grooming allows you to inspect your dog's coat and skin closely, so you can spot abnormalities early. It also gives you a chance to clean away dirt and allergens that might irritate the skin. Common skin conditions you might encounter. 1. Hot spots, acute moist dermatitis. These are red, inflamed, often wet patches of skin caused by excessive licking, scratching, or biting. Hot spots can develop quickly and are very painful. During grooming, you may notice a moist, oozing sore with hair loss around it. If you see a hot spot, avoid further irritation and consult your vet promptly for treatment. 2. Fleas and flea allergy dermatitis. Fleas cause itching and skin irritation. Look for flea dirt, small black specks, and actual fleas, especially around the tail base and belly. Flea allergy dermatitis is a hypersensitivity reaction causing severe itching and redness. During grooming, use a flea comb and watch for excessive scratching or inflamed skin. 3. Dry, flaky skin dandruff. Dry skin can result from allergies, poor diet, or environmental factors. It appears as white flakes on the coat and itching. Gentle brushing during grooming helps remove flakes and stimulates skin oils. Moisturizing shampoos or supplements may be recommended by your vet. 4. Redness and inflammation. Skin redness may indicate irritation, infection, or allergies. Grooming helps reveal these areas, which may feel warm or sensitive. Avoid harsh shampoos and consult your vet if redness persists. 5. Rashes and bumps. Rashes may be caused by allergies, insect bites, or infections. Bumps or lumps could be cysts, warts, or growths. Monitor their size and shape. If they change or multiply, see a vet. 6. Hot and swollen areas. Swelling and heat may signal infection or injury. Groom gently around swollen areas and seek veterinary advice. 7. Ringworm, fungal infection. Ringworm causes circular patches of hair loss with scaly skin. It's contagious to humans and other pets. If suspected, handle with gloves and contact your vet. Best practices for grooming dogs with skin conditions. Handle with care. Be gentle around irritated or painful areas. Avoid overbathing. Too much bathing can worsen dryness and irritation. Use hypoallergenic or medicated shampoos, only with vet approval. Keep grooming tools clean. Prevent spreading infections. Regularly check the skin, especially in folds, under ears, and around paws. Consult your veterinarian for diagnosis and treatment plans. Preventing skin issues through grooming. Regular brushing to remove dirt and loose hair. Bathing with appropriate products based on coat and skin type. Maintaining a healthy diet rich in omega fatty acids. Keeping your dog's environment clean to reduce allergens and parasites. Timely flea and tick prevention. When to seek professional help. Persistent itching or hair loss. Open sores or wounds. Rapidly spreading skin lesions. Signs of systemic illness like lethargy or fever. Summary: grooming is an ideal time to monitor your dog's skin health and catch problems early. Knowing what to look for and how to care for common skin conditions ensures your dog stays comfortable, healthy, and happy. Thank you for joining this chapter on dealing with common skin conditions during grooming. Up next, we'll cover essential grooming tools and how to use them. Welcome back to our dog grooming series. Now that you understand how to recognize and manage common skin conditions, it's time to dive into the essential grooming tools every dog owner should have. Using the right tools for your dog's coat type and grooming needs not only makes the process easier and more effective, but also helps keep your dog comfortable and healthy. In this chapter, we'll cover a variety of brushes, combs, clippers, nail care tools, and other grooming essentials, along with tips on how to use them safely and correctly. Why using the right tools matters. Choosing proper grooming tools suited to your dog's coat type and size is key to preventing skin irritation, matting, and discomfort. Quality tools also last longer and perform better, saving you time and effort. Essential grooming tools. 1. Brushes. Brushes are your most basic grooming tool, but they come in many types. Slicker brushes. These have fine, short wires close together. Great for removing mats, tangles, and loose fur on medium to long hair dogs. Bristle brushes. Good for short hair dogs to remove dirt and distribute natural oils for a shiny coat. Pin brushes. Similar to hair brushes for humans. Good for medium to long coats to detangle without harshness. Undercoat rakes. Designed to remove loose undercoat fur in double-coated breeds, like Huskies or Golden Retrievers. How to use brushes. Brush gently to avoid irritating skin. Brush in the direction of hair growth. Use slicker brushes for mats, but be careful not to scratch the skin. Regular brushing reduces shedding and prevents matting. 2. Combs. Combs help detect mats and tangles, and are especially useful around sensitive areas like the face, ears, and paws. Wide tooth combs. For detangling thick coats and working through mats gently. Fine tooth combs. For removing fleas, flea dirt, and finer tangles. How to use combs. Use after brushing to check for hidden mats. Be gentle around delicate areas to avoid hurting your dog. 3. Clippers and trimmers. Used for cutting and shaping hair. Clippers come in various blade sizes for different lengths. Choose quiet, low-vibration clippers to reduce stress. Use guards to avoid cutting too close and irritating the skin. Keep blades sharp and clean for effective grooming. How to use clippers safely. Introduce clippers gradually to your dog's senses. Always move clippers in the direction of hair growth. Avoid lingering in one spot to prevent burns. Take frequent breaks and reward your dog. 4. Nail care tools. Nail clippers. Scissor type or guillotine-style clippers for trimming nails. Nail grinders. Electric devices that smooth and shorten nails gradually. Tips for nail care. Be careful to avoid cutting the quick, the sensitive part of the nail. Trim nails regularly to prevent overgrowth and discomfort. Use a nail grinder for smoother finishes and less risk of splitting. 5. Other useful tools. Ear cleaners. Special solutions to keep ears clean and prevent infections. Deshedding tools. Help remove loose undercoat hair, especially in shedding seasons. Grooming scissors. For trimming around sensitive areas like the face and paws. Bathing supplies. Shampoos, conditioners, towels, and dryers designed for dogs. Tips for tool maintenance. Clean brushes and combs regularly to remove hair and dirt. Sanitize tools to prevent the spread of infections. Sharpen blades or replace them as needed for effective grooming. Store tools in a clean, dry place. Matching tools to your dog's coat type. Short-haired breeds. Use bristle brushes, rubber grooming gloves, and fine-tooth combs. Long-haired breeds. Slicker brushes, pin brushes, and undercoat rakes work best. Double-coated breeds. Use undercoat rakes and de-shedding tools regularly. Curly or wavy coats. Use slicker brushes and combs designed to prevent mats. Summary. Having the right grooming tools and knowing how to use them is essential for keeping your dog's coat healthy and your grooming sessions stress-free. Regular grooming with proper tools improves your dog's comfort, appearance, and overall well-being.